Handling truck wheels is no easy task and is much easier with the right equipment. A wheel dolly can aid in removing, transporting, and installing heavy wheel assemblies. With an impressive lifting range from 0 to 42 inches, suitable for a wide variety of vehicles, the 5105B High-Lift Dual Wheel Dolly can lift up to 1,100 pounds. An air-over hydraulic foot pump raises and lowers heavy wheels with ease, keeping both hands free to guide wheels onto the lift or back onto the truck. A 6-inch lateral adjustment and tilt adjustment from 15 degrees to -8 degrees allows for easy positioning. The high lift range means the 5105B is useful on a wide variety of vehicles, from trucks to buses and more. 4 swivel casters, 2 of which lock in place, make for easy positioning and alignment. For greater lifting capacity, look to the 1770A Dual Wheel Dolly, which boasts a 1,500-pound max weight rating. This low-lift dolly provides almost 5 inches of lift and tilts up to 4 degrees fore and aft, preventing damage to wheel seals during removal and installation. The manual pump bottle jack gives smooth and precise control during lifting and lowering. The 1770A rides on 3 swivel casters, 2 fixed position in the front, and a height-adjustable rear caster to easily pivot and position heavy dual-wheel assemblies. Both dollies include a 6-foot safety chain to hold wheel assemblies in place during transport, and specially designed rollers on the lifting arms allow wheels to rotate, making installation and stud alignment easier. Heavy-duty wheel dollies handle heavy-duty wheel assemblies with ease, reducing manual strain and increasing shop productivity to help you work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.